It's time to stitch the spiderweb. This is a new addition to the Halloween minis, and he is stitched entirely in DMC colour 310 black. Start by taking one strand and back stitching the web. Next, swap to 2 strands for his legs. Each leg has 3 sections, and you want to stitch over the 2 sections nearest the body twice, so they're slightly thicker. For curved leg sections, use more than one stitch. After the legs, continue with your 2 strands and backstitch the outline of the spider. Then fill your spider with long and short stitch. Lastly, we're going to stitch his little pincers. Each pincer has 2 sections, so take a single strand and stitch each one with 2 tiny stitches. You can stitch over the sections nearest the body a second time to make them slightly thicker. Congratulations on finishing your spooky little spider.